This is the solution to the Java MOOC course, Java Programming Part 1, Programming Exercise 5.3 Cube. Okay, and yeah, the Programming Exercise Cube asks us to create a cube class that represents a cube, that is a standard hexahedron, and we need to create a public cube int ageLength constructor for the class. So it takes ageLength as our parameter. That takes the length of the cube as parameter. Alright, make a public int volume method for the cube. So there is a volume method for the cube which calculates and returns the cube's volume. So it does have a written type of int volume, right? It calculates and returns the cube's volume. The volume of the cube is calculated with the formula ageLength multiplied by ageLength multiplied by ageLength. Moreover, make a public string to string method for the cube which returns a string representation of it, and the string representation should take the form of the age is 1 and the volume v, where 1 is the length and v is the volume. Both the length and volume must be represented as integers. Okay, let's hop into the program. First of all, let's create a new Java class and name it cube. Right, and it has a single private int is length, right? After that, a constructor, so public cube int age, right? And then all we have to do is assign this dot is length equals to is length, right? Oh, sorry, only is. Right. Now, after that, we need to write a method int volume, right? That has a written type of integer and name of volume. Okay. Also, we need to introduce a new variable private int volume, and let's initialize this dot volume to be 0. Okay, and all we need to do is return this dot is length multiplied by this dot is length multiplied by this dot is length. Okay, now this returns our volume, and there is a public string to string method, right? This is return what's the format like? The format is like the length of the age is this and this. Okay, so yeah, return the length of the age is plus let's public okay, wait, let's see if we are asked to create another method or not. And I guess we're not asked, so let's just directly use the value. Let's not create a getter method. Fine. Okay, is this dot is length, right, plus in space and the volume, okay, and there's a plus sign, and all you need to do is this dot volume. Okay, this dot volume. Let's try, and this is the test results from the book, the previous exercise. Okay, let's go to our main program, and first of all, let's create a method of this class. So all we have to do is cube. Let's name this cube test cube, right, with a new cube with parameter of 2, right? After that, all we have to do is okay. We have to print test cube dot volume. What does it say? Oh, sorry. Test cube. Okay, now accessible. And then so just print test cube. Let's try and run this program. And let's see the output 8. The length of the edge is 2 and the volume 8. This is our required output, so let's try and submit this. Okay, all tests have passed on the server. Thank you, and if there are anything else that you'd like to know, please let me know down in the comment section. Thank you.